Hello everyone, Business Plus again. So guys, I just want to share this short video with you guys. So just to let you know that this is exactly how spikes were happening. I'm currently on Crash 1000 index. All right. So I took this trade with lot size of 1.0, which is one standard lot size. Okay. So you can see I'm playing around with the RSI. All right, the resistance strength index, you can see that it's 14. If you have watched one of my video, you will see the two recent videos. You will see that you can also work with the normal parameters we're having here. Okay, so which is it will work fine. All right, but most of the time or once in a while, just try to apply TA, which is technical analysis, to whatever you're doing. Okay, now look at this. Let me quickly show you this. Okay, look at it here. All right, at this level here, you can see the spike. All right, you can just see the spike at, let me use this. You see, at this level here, you can see that a spike occurred. Okay, talking about this, I now see that on the RSI, which is indicator window 1, it has gotten to 100. A spike occurred. Right now, let's go down again. You can see another spike occurred at this level. Okay, another spike occurred at this level here, which is actually on the same level. All right, with this above. Okay, then now what I actually just want to show you is that when you notice, to detect a spike is very simple. Very simple. When you notice that you are having a downtrend, okay, you are having a downtrend. All right, this is a downtrend when you're picking from the highest level. Okay, now let me just remove this. When you're picking from the highest level, this is it. Then this is another thing that you just need to take care of. Okay, so at this level here we have two major highs for the downtrend. Okay, this is the first one, which is at this level. Okay, then the next one is actually at this level. Okay, this is the next one. All right, that's the next one for that level. Now that's why we are having the first line. All right, you can see it goes to the higher level here, even if there will be a pullback. All right, remember we are on 15 minutes time frame. If there will be a pullback, it's gonna pull it back from this level to this level, just to fulfill the righteousness for what is happening at this resistance level. Okay, but with what we're seeing on the screen, the next pullback is not gonna get here. Though I am not in charge of the market, I don't have any power or control over the market, but just trying to reason with me, and the next pullback can just basically be from this level back here. Yes, back here. Then when it goes back here, then from that level it's gonna go to another lower low. Now let's check a zone for it. You can change your time frame to check for a major zone here, which is actually this level here. All right, so that should be the next area. So I'm looking at this actually. So that's why I created a support level at here. Now let me remove everything. So you check your indicator. All right, so check your TA, which is the technical analysis. When you're done with that, then you can now go. You see, we have another spike. You see, I told you we have another spike. You see, this is beautiful. Okay, so we have another spike, and you see exactly what I said is happening before our face. So trading is easy. It's easy. So I have nothing to lose if I should just take my profit from here. Okay, so it's good. But mind you, after when you have seen series of spike, let me just say this, then I close. After when you have seen series of spikes, the next thing you're just gonna do is run, because it's very, very possible that the market will push you to this level here. All right, then it is now starts going down. If you are an indicator trader, check your indicator. Anytime you go in for any trade, this is the executing time frame, which is on M1. Then another time frame is M5. You see, on M5, the signal is not even stable on M5, right? Then let's go on M15. All right, you see. So anything can happen. Look at the area which I mark out. You can see it's very, very visible on M15 as the support level for this. So when you retest here, it means that all the money we're looking at, we're smiling at here, is gone. So the best thing is just to close, take your profit, then go. It's cool, it's easy. Take your profit, then go. Even if there is 1 million spikes, don't worry. We have nothing to cry about when it comes to trading. Even if you lose your account, don't worry. Just keep trying. You're going to get it well. Very, very soon. Trust me. Just keep up. If you need help, message me. I'm going to reply you ASAP. Bless up, guys. Bless up.